Good morning! Breakfast namin ni Naknak, egg, strawberry, and orange. Come on.
Let's go.
Saan kami? Magpunta kami sa store. Kunin ko yung refill ng tambal ba? Yung medisina, yung kuan ko. Birth control. So, samahan kami ni Naknak.
So good.
Uy, I'm excited. Ganyan siya mong gawas today.
So good. Hello. Oh, I said hi to the camera.
Say hi.
Hi.
Are you ready to go bye-bye?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
So, on the way na kami sa pharmacy kasi si Daddy, he got work mga my guys. So, kunin ko talaga yung prescription pills ko kasi mag-close sila around 6. So, si Daddy, he told me nga mag-be careful talaga. So, I'm very careful mga my guys. Kasi andyan si Naknak. So, kailangan ko talagang easy to ride and watch out. Tapos, nakauwi na kami sa bahay at saka she miss her fresh juice and I make her juice. So, andyan na po mga my guys, yung apple at saka yung orange ang ginagawa ko para si Daddy he can drink the juice too mga my guys. Kasi very healthy and she really miss that. Especially I'm busy doing house chores. So, finally, I have more on fruits and, apple. Look at her. Very excited po yan siya sa kanyang juice mga my guys. So, tingnan niyo po yung reaction ng face niya. Very priceless.
That good,
O,
baby
diba?
juice.
Ganyan talaga
That
ako.
good?
As a mom,
Here,
the way we
beautiful eyes
taking
right here.
care our baby, we are very happy. At saka,
I
I'm
got
very
you.
happy kasi she
You
finished
good?
her juice at natawa
Naubos na
talaga
talaga.
ako. I
Oh my gosh,
smiling
so
look at
tin-
her because very
Thank
quick
you.
finish her juice. She is very
I love
thirsty
you.
of that juice. And then, we go to dinner outside. Kasi na-miss din na-miss din ni Daddy na kumain sa restaurant. We don't always eat a restaurant, mga my guys. No, kasi very expensive. But anyway, this is family time, mga my guys. Kasi si Daddy nagwo-work. At saka si Naknak, she love going outside. And her favorite eat is the French fries and the mac and cheese. And then I told her, are you happy? She is very happy. And finally, nakapagtingin kami ng mga dito nag-start na sila nag-sale ng mga winter clothes mga my guys kasi today is the second day of fall dito sa Amerika. So nag-sale na rin sila ng mga outfit for Halloween kasi malapit ng Halloween. But anyway, I don't celebrate Halloween mga my guys. I love doing Christmas. Tingnan nyo po yung Christmas nila. Grabe, nagde-decorate na din sila. Tapos, si Mommy, I try some winter outfit, mga my guys. Tingnan nyo po yan. Yan po yung mga outfit nila dito. I-double mo yan, mga my guys. Ang mahal, but si Mommy yung gusto talaga ukay-ukay lang. Pero anyway, pag gusto ko, so balikan ko ito pag mag-sale. Kasi mag-sale man sila dito. Itong store na to mag-sale yan, mga my guys. Tapos si Daddy, he told me it's very nice, Han. So I know it's very nice. The price is very nice too. But anyway, mga my guys, that's what we doing. Very happy. We done it. And then, nagsukod-sukod na si Mommy yung mga my guys. Daddy love the white outfit. But anyway, na-try ko sa isa. Very okay naman siya. Very comfy. Si ganyan-ganyan lang. O, ganyan. O, diba? Kinikilig si Mami Yang kasi feel very cold inside the store. But anyway, we done it. We get together. And then, nakauwi na kami. So, spend time na naman kay Mami. So, I'm read her Mommy and Me. So, ganyan kami talaga mga my guys. Before yan siya mag-bed, before yan siya. So, we gonna let her pray, read her Bible, and then we pray together, family. And then she told me, Mommy, please read my book, read my story. So, she listen, mga my guys. O, diba? Ganyan talaga natin yung mga toddler natin. I-train natin sila na mag-read ng Bible kasi every night, they gonna tell you, Mommy, please read my book, read the Bible. Let's go. She told me, Daddy, let's read the Bible. Oh, diba? Very sweet, very priceless, mga my guys. So, yan po, nag-story ako sa kanya, what I'm reading, the book, and then, that's why she's smiling, mga my guys. So, diba? So, I spent the night, mga my guys, on her bed for a couple minutes of time kasi need siya na attention. So, ako na lang kasi we done pray family together. So, ako na lang yung nag-iisa sa room at saka siya. And then, I asked her, ano ba ganyan. I asked her about Jesus, and she listened, mga my guys. O, diba? Ganyan talaga yan siya. Nagli-listen siya. Very good girl. So, thank you so much for watching.